Hi, I'm AK and welcome to Artistic K-pop, where I post videos related to K-pop news and K-pop updates. And without further ado, let's move on to the video. As you might know, former April member Hyunju has accused April members for bullying her. But April members and DSP Media had denied all the allegations and said that they will be taking legal actions against Hyunju and her family. In fact, DSP Media and April members Chaewon and Yena released several official statements denying the allegations. In these statements, all of them said that no such bullying took place and that the truth will be revealed by the law. In response to the lawsuit, Hyunju said that she will also take legal actions against DSP Media and April members with the evidence and with the help of the people who are on her side. So this legal battle seems really intense. Although according to the Korean media Elio and K-pop industry insiders, they highly doubt that DSP Media has an actual chance of winning the lawsuit against Hyunju. These insiders pointed out that regardless of whether an actual bullying took place or not, DSP Media as an agency carries the full responsibility of resolving all and any complications involving their managing artist. Hence, the insiders claim the agency's utter failure to correctly handle the alleged tension among the members is going to play a key role in driving the case to Hyunju's victory. On that note, one anonymous idol management professional said generally all entertainment agencies are required by the contract to provide quality management for their artist. And if their artists develop physical or mental conditions during the period of contract, they are responsible to support their recovery. And because physical and mental care falls under what defines quality management, DSP Media would technically be at fault for the difficult times mentioned in both Hyunju's and DSP Media's statement. If you know, in the statements released by both DSP Media and April members Chaewon and Yena, they all said that they all went through difficult times and Hyunju is not the only one who had hard time. And this management professional is saying because of the difficult times mentioned in their statements, it might become disadvantageous to DSP Media to win the lawsuit. Plus, this professional also revealed that DSP Media could be held responsible for the violation of the South Korean Youth Protection Act because when the alleged bullying took place, Hyunju was only 16 years old. That means she was a minor at the time. And as a minor, she should have been protected by the agency as per the law. And as such, if it becomes evident that DSP Media lacked to provide the proper care for the minor, the agency would likely to be at a tremendous disadvantage during the lawsuit. And as such, these management professionals think that there is a high chance that DSP Media could lose the lawsuit against Hyunju. Meanwhile, many fans demand that DSP Media should terminate Hyunju's contract because previously Hyunju said that DSP Media has stopped all her activities while keeping her from leaving the agency. And that is all for this news. Tell me your thoughts on this matter in the comment section below and please care to subscribe to my channel if you want more K-pop related news and K-pop updates. And also click on bell icon for all notifications and see you in the next video.